In this tutorial, we are going to see the steps a programmer has to do in order to integrate Bitcoin payments in his game or application. You can see the result for yourself in the project Your Remote Assistance, also available in the Unity Asset Store. First, create a new project and import your Bitcoin controller package. Second, switch the scripting runtime version to Fork.exe equivalent in order for the library and Bitcoin DLL to work. Next, drag the prefabs to the scene, screen Bitcoin controller prefab and language controller prefab. Now add the event system to the scene. Create a new game object and attach it a script called example. Open the script and add the code instruction that will allow you to open the wallet screen. You can add funds to your Bitcoin wallet for free, since by default you will be working in the Bitcoin test network. You can check in the transaction section how that funds had been added to your Bitcoin wallet. Now modify the script and use the instruction to open the screen that will allow you to send cash. After performing the send cash operation, you can check in the transaction section that the operation has been done. Now it's up to you to add cryptocurrency to your games and applications.